Motorbike trip in Upper Mustang. Can you say something, please?
Yeah, we are in Lo Manthang. Lo Manthang. It was a nice experience to come with Himalayan adventures. We saw a lot of places, nice hotels, nice bikes. We are right now very pleased with our experience so far.
Okay, thank you. And Mehmet, what are you want? Tell me something about.
It was very excited and very tough road, but we are very happy to come to Lo Manthang and see the old city, whole city. It was very mystic. We really enjoyed. Just a little bit cold, no electricity, no hot water, but anyway we enjoyed.
Okay, thank you so much.
Go back.